Hi, I'm Raymart B. Lancero from BSMT Y111. This is my video presentation. Oil discharge monitoring system based on the measurement of oil content in the ballast and slope water to measure conformance with regulations. An interface detector is an electrical instrument for detecting the boundary between oil and water in tanks. Crude oil washing requirements. All tanks on a tanker are cleaned out between voyage, not with water, but with crude oil the cargo itself. Control of discharge of oil. In respect of the Antarctic area, any discharge into the sea of oil or oily mixture from any ship is prohibited. Crude oil washing operation is pumped back and preheated in the slope tanks, then sprayed back via high pressure nozzles in the cargo tanks onto the walls of the tank. Oil record book. The officer responsible will record all oil or sludge transfers and discharge within the vessel. In this shipboard oil pollution emergency plan. In this plan you get an overview of possible procedures in case of an oil spill. Reception policies, facilities. In the chain of implementation of MARPOL stated that the policy of zero tolerance of illegal discharge from ship could only be effectively enforced when there were adequate reception facilities in ports. Special requirements for fixed or floating platform. Fixed or floating platforms will engage in the exploration, exploitation, and associated offshore processing of seabed, mineral resources, and other platforms. Thank you.